Hello everybody, my name is Michael Bowman. Welcome back to another Senior Golf video. Today, we're gonna be going over one of our more popular bunker rakes that Senior Golf has to offer. This is the Chief Rake. The Chief Rake consists of 39 different tines right here, if you would like to get the rigid side in the sand. Otherwise, we have the option on the other side, if you flip it 180, to be able to have the smooth side. So let me show you if we go in the sand right here. I have demonstrated already what it looks like on the tine side. We have the small little grooves that go across the bunker. But if we wanted to get this Aussie style or a smooth bunker side, we have the ability to smoothen out the bunker like so. It's got a clean edge. Balls will not be placed into the side and they will actually roll back down to the middle. So if you're looking for that Aussie style bunker on the sides, you have that ability to with the Chief Rake. So the Chief Rake by Senior Golf, smooth side along with 39 rigids to be able to get your ideal bunker.